Mobile ordering is one of the most convenient options in your My Disney Experience app, and it's simple to use. Click on the plus sign with a circle around it at the bottom of the screen. Then click on Order Food. A list of available options will appear. Underneath each option, you will see available arrival windows, which are the times your food will be available for pickup. You can click on More Times to see more availability. Click on a restaurant name to see a menu, find it on a map, order food, and get directions. You can also scroll along the top to choose the arrival window that suits your needs. Click on the back arrow at the top left of the screen to review other restaurants. Click on an arrival time to begin your order. Select your menu item, customize it, and add it to your order for each member of your party. When you're finished adding items, click on View My Order. Here you can either modify it or review order summary to check out. You can use a credit card that is already in your account, add a gift card number, or use a Disney Rewards card to pay for your order. Then click on Purchase. The next screen will tell you when to come back for your order. You can also change your arrival time or cancel your order prior to the arrival window. Once you are within the arrival window, you'll receive a notification from the app that tells you to let the restaurant know you are there and to prepare your order. You can also check on this status by returning to the Mobile Orders tab in the app. Click I'm here, prepare my order, and you'll receive another notification when your food is ready and where to pick it up. Here's a big time-saving tip. Click I'm here before you arrive at your dining location, especially if you are visiting during peak season. It can sometimes take a while for food to be prepared, and clicking you are ready for your order as you are walking to the restaurant can save you time. Also, if you know where you want to eat, you can place your order early in the day while there are lots of arrival window options. This is especially helpful during busy seasons.